Beijing is the capital of the most populous country in the world. Likewise, it is one of the largest cities in the world, but China is facing a serious problem. In Beijing, there is a water shortage issue. To put this problem into context, the country has 20% of the world's population with less than 8% of its water. To make this issue worse, in addition, the northern tier of the country is much more arid than the southern tier, yet it hosts nearly half of the population of this Asian country. Due to this, water tables have consistently dropped. Even water capturing infrastructure fails to gather enough resources to fully satisfy the population. This issue will only get worse as much of northern China is expected to get drier with climate change. This could lead to a lack of water resources to support China's rising population into the future. This particular issue is exaggerated by the fact that industrialization has grown rapidly in the northern tier of the country, making accessible freshwater too polluted for safe consumption. Nonetheless, because of shortages, it is consumed and used for agriculture, but this has negative effects on human health. Due to this, cancer rates are on the rise and will continue to rise if nothing is done. Beijing has been attempting to find solutions to these problems for years. One attempt was the diversion of river waters to the city, but critics worry it is not a long-term sustainable solution to China's water problems. Another issue with Beijing is poor city planning, which makes the city quite flood-prone when it does precipitate. The good news is that Beijing is thinking of solutions to the problem. One of these solutions could be the implementation of sponge cities, whereby porous concrete, man-made wetlands, and green spaces capture and reuse water that previously would have vanished down the drain. Additionally, China is making efforts to enforce legislation that cracks down on factory pollution standards. There is indeed hope in water purification as well.